Hey, it's Mark Weiss. What does the price of dog food have to do with the ability of your medical group to survive? Well, the answer is more than you might think. Earlier this week, I ordered dog food for my 3 dogs, a 25-pound bag from Chewy, which is where I've been ordering this particular food for a couple years. Just took a 20-some% price increase. I found another online vendor and purchased it there. If you've been to the market lately, you've seen similar dramatic price rises in things from, ground beef to chicken legs to, don't ask me, but probably Ritz crackers. So what's that have to do with your group? If you've negotiated your managed care rates more than certainly a year ago, certainly more than 2 years ago, you are in all probability way underwater in terms of where those rates need to be to remain viable. Many groups hardly ever take a look at their managed care rates. Some of them don't do it except for, every 10 years or until somebody remembers that it's got to be done, or somebody is in trouble for just signing what comes in the mail to re-up the terms of an agreement. Look, for almost all groups, the cost of supplies have gone up, the cost of administrative personnel has gone up, the cost of your own physician staff has gone up. If you don't stay on top of managed care agreements, and if you don't build cost of living adjustments into agreements, you're not only leaving money on the table, you're potentially killing your group one ignored contract at a time.